Are you ready for houseplant number 3 in the collection? As you know, we've been getting a new houseplant every single day to add to our collection to make our flat into a gardening jungle. Yes, we're going to have a jungle in the house. But yeah, we have got number 3 on the list, and today it is a trade Scantia Violet Hill. Now look at that, absolutely amazing, that one. It's got all these hanging down bits as well. Obviously currently it's in a pot. Should it stay in a pot? I've given it a water as it was pretty dry. I've also bought these fantastic little plastic bowls, which were like £4 for £1 in Morrison's, who are in the bargain section. So I'm happy with them little things until we get actual plant pots. That'll be my next mission after we've got all the plants. No rush for the plant pots though. But yeah, look at this. It did lose a few little bits off, like that one snapped off. Is this the plant where you can stick the ends in soil and it'll root? Let me know in the comments if that's the plant that you can do it with. But yeah, I'm loving the colour on this. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. All purples, like silver, green. It's gorgeous to look at. So far, I've got to say, this is one of my nicest plants that I've got in our collection. So yeah, do I stick this end bit in some soil and will it root? Or put it in some water? I might stick it in some water and see what happens. Let me know in the comments what I should do with it, and if it'll get another plant by doing that. But yeah, this is houseplant number 3. Make sure you follow in for houseplant number 4 when we post it tomorrow. So hopefully this collection is going to look pretty good once we've got them all growing. We have been out and purchased quite a few more, but I'm obviously going to show you one a day. I'm not going to go to the shop every single day and buy a different houseplant. I'm going to get a few in, but show you a plant each day what we're adding to the collection. And I'm wondering if this needs a bigger pot or if it's fine as it is. It looks pretty fine. And let me know how often I should water it. I'm guessing it's once a week, or depending on if it's really dry, water it more if it's warm in the flat, obviously. But yeah, it's a nice healthy plant, and it only cost me £4.99 this one. So excellent value, excellent price, and great quality and healthy. So make sure you follow us for houseplant number 4 tomorrow, and give us a comment, give us a like, follow the series, and keep up to date with all the houseplants that we're buying. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben everyone.